It's not real. Therefore, Yesu Christ, Christ is the design of their heart. What? No, I cannot commit myself to these people. It's not going to help. Just be real and tell. If you want to keep your faith, be real.
Amen.
If you are we take our battles, and we leave them there. We altar. The altar of Christ. See if this back at me to some see she sibuye sinokukhapkhapha uzalisekela face iphaya ithina ngerest isanibonke nibulala kayo nisidwa kumthalo nikuphuma isizathu basinibe restless because you are not yourself. I mean you know uchekala she novuka ikusha kafe ikufa ungajiwa zibethu sikhona because awukanti nokufile nokuthini mabethu lanto ithethwa eLaodike ubushushi bashushu uba uyabanda ngoba ungabidikithi ngoba if you are lukewarm ithi Bible I will spew you something I will vomit you because unethi nasia unetha tibe nar. Please masabatana guys, let us be real. Will the real Adventist stand up because we are because